So, I was in Grandma's place. Mom told me to take out for outing to eat some light food. At that moment, she told me it's only her, me and my 8-year-old cousin. What a quite and cool idea, right? Not a little bit. When finally the day came, after passing one day, Mom told me to dress up. I wanted to go in my usual comfy dress. But she gave me a pitiful look and said that won't be good enough. So, I was psychologically forced to wear something more gorgeous. Then, it started to pinch me. So, I took a scissors and cut off the pinching parts. Then I felt too much relief. When I looked at the mirror, about half an inch of clothes in the neck part were cut. Though they would be under my dupatta, but I can't continue like this. Luckily, my mom brought another dress which exactly looked like this. So, I secretly exchanged my dress with that dress. When mom will find out the torn dress, I will shift all the blame on the shopkeeper or on some rat with big teeth. Then, we began our journey. Our journey started smoothly. We were on the rickshaw, there was gentle breeze, suddenly mom told she has to go somewhere. She told me, my aunt and cousins to walk forward and she left. At first, I thought we were near some eating place and mom only left for 10 minutes. So, I kept walking with them. Then we kept walking and walking for half an hour. And only saw some green trees in the both sides. When we told aunt about that, she told, don't you find all these green trees beautiful? What the fucking hell? I left the house with only hope of eating something. And all I get is walking under some hot sun. My day was already ruined by then. Aunt and her kids were walking with smile. I wanted to kill all of them. I wanted to kill my mom too. How can people stay cool when I am suffering? I called mom and she came. I thought finally we are going somewhere to eat, though I was sweating all over. But then mom told she will take another 1 hour to finish her work. Mom told me to wait for her in the road till then. I was about to faint. I told her I am tired. Then she told me to go to home with aunt. What do we learn from this story? Never trust any people who tells you they want to go somewhere with you. If they tell you they want to go to any restaurant or park, you never know where they will take you for their work only. People never want to go in a specific place because they want to enjoy food or have fun with you. They want to go with you to finish their necessary work. Your pleasure comes only